Dear students, today we will learn new concept. The name of the concept is multiplication of fraction. Now we will learn how we can multiply fractional number by a whole number. Let's see the formula. Fraction into whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number by denominator of the fraction. For example, multiply 4 by 25 by 3. Here fraction is 4 by 25 into 3. Here 3 is a whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction. Numerator of the fraction is 4 into whole number by denominator of the fraction is 25. 4 3s are 12 by 25. So the answer is 12 by 25. 12 by 25 is a proper fraction. Let's solve second problem. 9 by 20 into 25. Here 9 is the numerator of the fraction into 25 is the whole number by 20 is the denominator of the fraction. Here 25 and 20 is divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 9 5s are 45 by 4. 45 by 4 is a improper fraction. If we divide 45 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, next we have to take 5 down, 4 ones are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is 11 and 1 by 45 by 4 is equal to 11 and 1 by 4. Let's learn how to multiply fractional number by another fractional number. Let us consider the following example. The shaded portion in figure 1 represents 3 by 4. If we take half of this shaded portion, it is 3 by 8, as is evident from figure 2. Therefore, half of 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8, or half of 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8. Hence, the product of two fractional numbers is a fractional number whose numerator is the product of their numerators and whose denominator is the product of their denominators. For example, product of two fractions. Here two fractions are 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. If you multiply 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, then the product is 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 2 4s are 8. So half of 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8. The product of two fractional numbers is a fractional number whose numerator is the product of their numerators and whose denominator is the product of their denominators. Here we can observe when we multiply two fractions, then 3 into 1. Here 3 is the numerator of first fraction and 1 is the numerator of second fraction, by 4 into 2. 4 is the denominator of first fraction and 2 is the denominator of second fraction. Then the answer is 3 by 8. So the formula of product of two fractions is equal to numerator of first fraction into numerator of second fraction by denominator of first fraction into denominator of second fraction. Let's solve examples. In that first one, 8 by 15 into 2 by 3. So what is the formula? Product of two numbers is equal to numerator of first fraction, that is 8, into numerator of second fraction, that is 2, by denominator of first fraction, that is 15, denominator of second fraction, that is 3. 8 2s are 16, 5 3s are 45. So the answer is 16 by 45. 16 by 45 is the proper fraction. Let's solve one more example. 3 and 5 by 7 into 2 and 4 by 5. First we have to convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 by 7 into 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 by 5. Here 14 is divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 26 2s are 52, 52 by 5. 52 by 5 is a improper fraction. So we have to convert 52 by 5 into mixed number. So we have to divide 52 by 5. If we divide 52 by 5, 5 10s are 50, 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 5 is 0. So the answer is 10 and 2 by 5. So the answer is 10 and 2 by 5. Let's learn how to multiply more than two fractional numbers. Let's see the formula. Product of two or more fractions is equal to product of all the numerators of the fractions divided by product of all the denominators of the fractions. Let's solve an example. Find the products of 3 by 4 into 5 by 7 into 9 by 11. So what is the formula? Product of two or more numbers is equal to product of all the numerators of the fractions divided by product of all the denominators of the fraction. So first we have to multiply all the numerators. 3 into 5 into 9 divided by. Next we have to multiply all the denominators. 4 into 7 into 11. 3 5s are 15. 15 9s are 135 by 4 into 7 is 28. 28 11s are 308. So the answer is 135 by 308. This fraction is proper fraction. So no need to convert into mixed numbers. Let's solve one more example. Find the products of 3 and 3 by 7 into 5 by 8 into 1 and 10 by 11. Here first we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 3 24. 24 by 7. Next fraction is 5 by 8 into. Here also we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 by 11. Here 24 is divisible by 8. 8 ones are 8 threes are 24. Here 21 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Next we have to multiply all the numerators. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. Next we have to multiply all the denominators. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 11 is 11. So the answer is 45 by 11. 45 by 11 is a improper fraction. So we have to convert 45 by 11 into mixed number. So we have to divide 45 by 11. If we divide 45 by 11, 11 fours are 44. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 4 1 by 11. Therefore the answer is 4 and 1 by 11. Let's learn properties of multiplication. Here first property is changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. One by 2 into 3 by 7 into 5 by 9. If we multiply all the numerators, then the product is 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 5 is 15. 15 by 2 into 7 is 14, 14 into 9 is 126. So the answer is 15 by 126. If we change the order of a fractional numbers, 3 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 9. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 5 is 15, 7 2s are 14, 14 9s are 126. Here both the answer is same. That means changing the order of a fractional number does not change the product. Let's learn second property of multiplication. The product of a fraction and 1 is the fraction itself. For example, if we multiply 5 by 6 by 1, then the answer is 5 by 6. The product of a fraction and 1 is the fraction itself. This is the second property of multiplication. Let's learn third property of multiplication. The product of a fraction and 0 is 0. If you multiply 5 by 6 by 0, then the product is 0. The product of a fraction and 0 is 0. This is the third property of multiplication. Today's homework: solve exercise 9C in that A to G in your maths notes.